A guide to get Instagram profile photo that flips between your picture and avatar. For that, let's open Instagram, tap on the profile. You can tap on edit profile over there. Here you can find that avatar symbol. So you can tap on that. Here you can tap on create avatar. So you can create it manually. So I'm selecting a random skin tone and tap on next. Then I'm selecting a hairstyle. So let's say I have like this and I'm selecting this and tapping on next. And let's say face shape is this and next. And the body might be this and tap on next. You can select whatever you want and free and see. You can tap on done and you can tap on save. You can post stickers in the comment stories and more by avatar saving. So that is getting started for me and it is saving avatar. So now your avatar has been saved and there you can see if I tap on my profile, if I tap on my profile, you can see that has been flipped now. Again, I can show you. I can edit profile and that flips between my picture and the avatar. This is how you can get your Instagram profile photo flips between picture and avatar. Thank you.